I love raw oysters, but let's turn it into something even more delicious. Follow me now for the seafood stuffed baked oyster recipe. This stuffed seafood oyster recipe is so delicious. I got these huge oysters from Whole Foods. I always miss their deal because I'm like an hour and a half away from Whole Foods, but I always seem to make it the next day. I cleaned them up and then I shucked each and every oyster. After you shuck the oysters, put them in the refrigerator and get some shrimps and mince them up just like this. I like my food well seasoned and spicy, so I used some cayenne pepper, Old Bay, and some chili crunch with some minced up parsley. Feel free to use your hands. Get a hot skillet with some bacon grease, minced up garlic, chopped up spinach, sauteed though because we want that wok hay, but in this case it's going to be skillet hay. And if you don't know what that means, it's that smoky flavor. Now saute our seasoned up shrimp. Get the can of lump crab meat, season again. We don't want bland food. This time I added some garlic salt. And then the vegetables. Here it is. Get you a skillet, warm up some heavy cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, sour cream, parsley, black pepper, garlic salt, and seasoning salt. Mix it all up. Add some more spice to it, red chili flakes, and cayenne pepper. And here we go. Here is that delicious, creamy, thick sauce. We're gonna stuff all of this into those oysters. The freshness of these oysters, I was so tempted to eat more of them raw, but I had to finish this for you guys. I wanted to share this video. But anyways, I preheated my oven to 400 degrees and baked it for 9 minutes. And here we go. Look at these seafood stuffed baked oysters. If you haven't done so by now, go ahead and like, comment, and follow me for more recipes. Now that you have this recipe, it's your turn to try it. Enjoy.